So ClassPoint can be used in three main different ways. The first way is for slide annotations. So once I go into my presentation, I am automatically on cursor mode so that I can easily navigate throughout the slides. If I want to start taking some notes on my slide, I can use any of these digital inking tools. So I can select any pen or highlighter to write right on the slide. We support mouse, but obviously recommend using any sort of digital inking hardware such as a stylus or an interactive whiteboard or an interactive panel. So once we exit our presentation, you'll see that all of the annotations we made are saved within your PowerPoint slide deck automatically. At the top, we can configure the different pen colors, so you can change the color or you can add a new pen. And when you go back into the slideshow, the changes will be reflected in the toolbar at the bottom. So lastly, we can add in a new whiteboard page. So I've selected a blackboard and we can maybe write on it with white pen.